many people say that you uh, got change, very good change after the you get married. So is it true or just a myth, or it depends on the person?
I have also heard that question. A lot of people
Hmm.
have asked me that, do people change a lot after they get married?
Yeah.
Um, the answer is yes.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Sorry for being late. Very good evening.
No problem. No problem. So on your profile it says MS Nagda. Am I right?
It is MS Nagda.
Nagda. So what? How should I call you?
Yeah, you can call me MS, or my full name is Mahesh. So whatever you
Can I call
feel
you Mahesh?
comfortable.
Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah, no issue.
All right. Perfect. So
So
Mahesh, good
ve-
evening.
very good evening.
Yes, you had a question for me?
Yeah, where are you from and what do you do? Because it's my first session with you. Because I have been waiting since very long to get a session with you. It's been
Oh.
more than a month even.
Yeah, actually, I was unavailable for a month. I had not put in any timings because I was busy with another project on my full-time job. So I couldn't take sessions at that time. But I'm back now for a while at least. So it shouldn't be a problem.
Uh, okay.
From Mumbai,
So what do you do?
and I'm just a part-time speaker at Clapping over here.
Okay.
What about you, Mahesh?
I'm a student and currently preparing for the competitive examination, and I have done my graduation in the 2019.
Great. That's great.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Mahesh, can you do me a small favor before we start?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Can you put your phone down somewhere, maybe against a wall or on a desk or something?
There is
If it's
nothing
not
where.
possible, it's fine because I
Uh,
usually tell people to do
also,
that because you get distracted when your phone is in your hand. You're trying to balance it.
yeah, yeah, that is true. But currently, I'm not having something like
No problem. Okay, so I would just like to say that for the next session, whenever you take your next session, please try to just set, like what I generally do is I take my phone and I'll put it on top of my charger, so it just stays there. I don't have to worry about the frame. I don't have to worry about holding it. I'm fully focused on the session. Okay.
yeah. Okay.
Great. Okay. All right. So have you gone through today's document? It's a really exciting document.
Yeah, yeah. It's about the retirement.
We're going to talk about retirement plans. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. No issue.
Great. So
Mm.
Mahesh, I know you're a student. You haven't even started working yet, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm sure you have some sort of ideas on how you want to retire, right? So would you like to retire at all?
No.
You don't want to retire.
Yeah, that is why I'm searching for a job or a work that I do, and I don't feel like I'm working, so I don't need to get retired after that. I will
That's
be
great.
working as long as my physical health or my body or my mind allows me to do so.
Perfect. That was very nicely put, by the way. I really like the way you formed that sentence. Great. Okay.
Thank
Great.
you.
So, this is true. I was talking to
Hmm.
one of my colleagues recently, and
Hmm.
we were talking about how work can sometimes be stressful, but the fact that you are committed to it, you love doing it. It
Hmm.
doesn't feel like a task. It just
Hmm.
feels like, okay, I just need to do this. It's not like, oh my god, I have to do this. Because that have to feeling, that is where you get super drained, right? So that's a really good point you brought up. You want to find a job that you love and you're passionate
Yeah.
about, and
Hmm.
once you start doing it, it won't feel like a job anymore. It will be more like a hobby or something that makes you really happy. That's really
Yeah.
nice. Great. Okay.
So what are your retirement plan? Do you also want to get retired or looking for something like similar?
um I don't think it's that easy. Okay.
Mhm.
So there are two personalities that I have. Okay. One personality is like, I want to work 24/7. I want to make a change. I want to become really successful, and not money wise, like more about achieving what, like,
Achieve.
achieving something that you want to do. That is more important for me. So I have one personality who wants that, and one personality who just wants to sit on the bed, sleep on the couch, watch movies, eat junk food, like super lazy, right?
So yeah,
So
as they say that it's not you versus your competitor. It's always you versus you.
yes, definitely. You always compete with yourself from
Yourself.
yesterday.
Mm-hmm. That's
Yeah, that's true. So when I think about retirement, I just keep thinking, should I go super lazy or should I like be
work
super
24.
busy with work? Yeah. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
not sure, but I do know that when I do get older, around 50, 60, I want to have enough, assets or enough money to be able to retire in case my body doesn't allow it or my mental health is, not the best, and I want to
Yeah.
take a vacation for 1 year, then I should be able to do it.
Yeah. So do you like travel?
I don't. I don't like traveling.
Uh, because that is you are the first person I have seen in my life who don't like travel.
I'm
Uh,
lazy. I did I tell you that I'm lazy.
yeah, that
So
can also be a reason.
yeah. So before the pandemic,
Mm.
back in the college days, I would love going out with my friends. Every day I would be out of the house. College would end at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I would get home at like 3 o'clock at night or like 4 o'clock at night because I would be going out with my friends for a drive to eat somewhere or just roam around with my friends to someone's house.
Mm.
But since the pandemic has started, I've realized how satisfied I am just sitting at home, not doing anything. How much energy I'm saving, how many fights I'm avoiding because I'm always out. So I've
Okay.
become very lazy, but not in a lazy way. Yeah, sorry, I'm not going to defend it. I've become very lazy, but I do make plans, and once a year I promised myself that I'll take my wife for a vacation.
Okay. So are you married?
Yes, I am married.
So how long have you been married?
I got we got married.
Yeah, it's we, not I and you.
Yeah, we got married in December of 2019, about 3 or 4 months before Corona.
Okay. So now you just got married before the pandemic.
Yes, so it's been almost now in this December we'll complete 2 years.
Mm.
Yeah.
So I have heard from the people that after marriage, you got very changed before you used to be earlier. So is it true or it's just a myth or
Are
rumor?
you saying people change after getting married?
Yeah,
Okay. Can you repeat your question, please?
yeah. So I was saying that many people say that you uh, got change, very good change after you get married. So is it true or just a myth or it depends on the person?
I have also heard that question. A lot of people
Hmm.
have asked me that, do people change a lot after they get married?
Yeah.
Um, the answer is yes. But the way people ask these questions, it sounds like a bad thing. It's
Yeah,
not,
yeah,
it's not
that
a
is a
bad
bad
thing.
thing.
It's not a bad thing. I'm saying that with at least my experience is that it's a good thing because for me, your life kind of gets balanced because when, at least for guys, it's more about having fun with your friends or not being that disciplined in terms of, at
Discipline,
least for
yeah.
me, ever since
Hmm.
my wife has come into my life, I've been more disciplined. Like I said, also stopped going out that much with my friends,
Hmm.
so I can invest that time into my work, which is
Into
very
work.
nice because it means I have a steady career, right?
So what you
uh,
have done in your studies or education?
I finished my MCom.
Oh, you have two.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
You two from commerce?
Yes, I'm from commerce as well. Um, so I started working when I was 18 years old. I had first started. I joined my dad's office, like my family business.
Okay.
So I had joined my family business at the age of 18, and I worked there for 6 years. And then I tried a couple of jobs and businesses here or there, and now I'm here at Clapingo.
Yeah,
So
that's amazing.
I'm really happy here, and it doesn't feel like work. It's just
Yeah,
me.
it's like interacting with the new people and having experience, exposure, and even traveling the world and sitting at the home like you are from Mumbai, I'm from MP. So now you are in MP, I am in Maharashtra.
Maybe one day I'll even physically get to visit a lot of these cities. You never know, you know. Um, all right, should we come back to the topic now? I think
Yeah,
we
yeah.
got distracted.
Yeah, no matter where we're going, because we are talking in English, so our objective is getting met.
Yeah. So I have another question for you.
Yeah.
Like you said, you don't feel like you want to retire, right? But I'm sure your parents or someone in your family or someone from your friends, they
Mm.
don't agree with you. They think they want to retire eventually, right? So when you
Yeah.
look at them, what sort of retirement planning are they doing?
So yeah, in if I talk about particular myself, I belong to a farmer family. So what they do is that we have fields and all things at our home. So uh, just like if my grandfather is going to retire, then they will all work will be done or maintained by my father, and then they will uh, automatically get retired. Not like that today I'm going to retire and not going to do any work. In our particular and farmer field, a farmer don't get retired just suddenly, like I'm not going to work from tomorrow and I get retired today. It's not like that, like job and all. But in a field, what happens is that we get retired gradually, even we don't know, and after that when our body don't allow us to work hard and work with the fields, and then they just uh, slow down the work, and another person who is the uh, upcoming or upbringing generation
Someone
will just
else takes charge
take
of the
charges.
business.
Yeah. So for us, that is like the retirement plans.
So we can say that is the transition.
Transition, not just like sudden retirement.
Yes, obviously. So I think that is the case with all family businesses, right? Because at the end of the day, even
Mm-hmm.
this is a family business, right?
Yeah, definitely.
When your parents are getting old, you start getting involved in the business, and then you
Mm.
take some responsibilities, and those
Mm.
responsibilities keep increasing
Keep
until your
increasing,
parents.
and those responsibility keep decreasing. So
For them, yes, the responsibilities keep decreasing till to the point where some days you'll realize that they are just there to observe, or they are just trying to do a
yeah,
little bit of work here and there.
they are now just president and someone other is prime minister there.
They become supervisors.
Yeah.
Yes, that's true. So yes, that is true. I was talking more in terms of a financial plan, because
Okay.
you know like some businesses are lucky enough that it still goes on after someone retires, right? Let's say your father was the first farmer in your family, right?
Mm.
uh, you will get the business once he gets old or he wants to retire, right?
Mm.
But unfortunately, some people are doing jobs. So there are people who are 60 years old, 70 years old, and they're doing some job. Once they retire, or once they can't do that physically anymore, there is no
Mm.
income.
Yeah.
So they need to plan for retirement, whether it's saving money or dipping into your investments.
Investment.
So
Yeah.
for something like that, what sort of plans would you recommend?
So investment can be the good one. Invest in those area where you will be getting money throughout your life after you are done with your work. Or maybe you can start a business that will be going on after you are done with uh, your job.
After
You
you,
can
yeah,
start
after you retire, basically. Yeah.
after you retire, and you can start another part-time business, maybe.
Okay. Do you have any
That
ideas?
yeah, if I talk about some, if a teacher is getting retired, then he can give private tuitions, and he can open a coaching, and he can become head of the coaching and hire another teachers to give tuition to another people.
To
That can be
other
a
people and
to other.
other teachers. So you can
Yeah.
say another means one more. Okay.
Mm.
So when you say he can hire another teacher, that's fine. That means they can hire one more teacher.
Mm.
But when you say another teachers, that is incorrect. because it means
Yeah.
one other teachers. One
Okay.
and teachers don't match, single plural. So we'll
Okay.
say other teachers or we'll say other students. So they can open a coaching institute where they can hire other teachers, and those teachers can teach many more students, or they can start taking different batches of students. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
I hope you're understanding. Please tell me if you don't understand something I'm saying.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, I got what you said.
Sometimes I have a bad habit of speaking very fast, so please stop me if I do. Okay.
No, that's cool.
Okay, great. So you're saying you don't have any sort of financial plans in place for your retirement?
But yeah, if you talk about particularly agriculture business, so in agriculture, what they do is that if the child is good and they are taking care of the parents, there is no issue. But what happens sometimes that the child is not good and not taking care of the parents, so what they do is they keep some part of land in which they give lease to someone else, and they are getting money from that person.
From the rent or from the lease money,
Yeah,
they make part-time income.
them up but time and they can make their livelihood from that.
Okay,
So
that's
that can
actually
be
very
that.
smart.
Yeah, that is the only retirement plan if we get financially.
That is the basically you can say that is the backup plan.
Backup plan for farmers especially.
Okay, that's good. So it's nice that you know a lot about this field. It's very good.
Yeah, because I have been born and brought up in the farmer family, so I know almost all things and how to do every agricultural works and how does crop goes.
Okay, don't say all the agricultural works. Okay, you can say my father or my family has taught me how to do these tasks.
Okay. Yeah,
Work is something that will never become plural. Singular and plural work is the same. Okay, I have some work. I have to finish a lot of work. It doesn't matter how much it is, it will always be work. Okay, there are lots of words that we can use like this. I can't think of them right now. Deer, we can say the animal deer. We don't say, oh, look, so many deers. No, we just say one deer and many deers are the same. Okay. I
fish.
can't.
I think
Yes.
it's fish.
No, fishes. We can say fishes.
Sheep,
Fishes
sheep,
is plural.
sheep.
Sheep is one. Yes, that's true. Good. It's good that you're coming up with examples because I can't think of anything right now. Okay. So this is, if I'm going to ask you a question, if it is too personal, please don't answer it. Okay. Feel free to ignore it.
Okay.
But did you see your grandfather retire from this business?
Yeah, they get retired, and now my father is taking care of the business.
Okay. Yes. So I wanted to ask you that, obviously. Hello. Can you hear
Yeah.
me?
Now, please. Yeah, now I can.
I was going to ask you that, you saw your grandfather retire. So when he was retired, what would he do to keep himself occupied? Like, what hobbies did he have?
Okay, so they still do some light work which they can afford to do. And apart from that, if I talk about financially, so they have money and they give it to the people who need it and take some interest on that. So that is the main.
No, I'm not talking about financially. I meant like hobbies, because once someone retires and it can get quite boring because you have nothing to do, right? So some people become very religious, so they love going to temples. They go to what is the word I'm looking for? Tirthan.
Oh yeah. So they have done all the Tirthan, and even they have visited all India. They have traveled whole India. Yeah, though
So
they
that
don't.
is a hobby, right?
Yeah, hobby. And apart from that, if you talk about it, so they are animal lovers. So they always around the animals, and they are taking care of them in a manner that can do, like they are taking for them for the water and giving them some food for them, feeding them and taking care of them. That is taking them to the fields, and when they are
to graze.
To graze, yeah.
To basically eat grass, right? That's what you're saying.
Yeah, Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
to graze, you can say.
So
they
most of the people does that.
do that.
Okay, do that.
Most of the people do that. Okay.
Do
Now,
that.
this same issue, this mistake, we're getting to the end of the session. So I'll give you some corrections. I've
Okay.
noticed 2 or 3 times, okay, where you've
Mm.
used the incorrect form of do. I'll give
Yeah.
you 2 examples. Um, when I was talking to you about your family and your, parents, you said farmers don't get retired. Yeah, don't get retired. Okay. So the correct way to say that is, when it comes to farmers,
Mm.
we don't retire. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. The second example I would like to give you is, our body don't allow us. Okay. Can you
Okay.
tell me what the correct way to say that is? Our body don't allow us.
Our body don't allow us.
No, say that this is incorrect. Say the correct way.
Our body doesn't allow us.
Yes. Our body doesn't allow us, or our body won't allow us to do these things. Okay.
Mm.
Will not in the future. Okay.
Okay.
Great. So here I've noticed 2 or 3 times that you made the same mistake. Okay. So try to find out, or try to distinguish when you're saying something in the past and when you're trying to say something that can happen in the future. Okay.
Okay.
We have a couple of videos on our YouTube channel. Have you seen them?
No, I haven't.
Okay. So I would like you to do that first. Go to YouTube, type Clap and Go. If you filter by channel, you'll see our official channel. On that, we have an option, a video that says could, would, and should. How to use these 3 words, right?
Okay.
I think that is something that would benefit you a lot if you go through those videos. There are, I think, 2 or 3 videos. It's a series of videos, and there are many, many more videos where you could find some sort of corrections in the way to use, exceptions on how not to use the, articles, and a lot of different things, even tenses. Okay.
Fine.
So please go through them, obviously whenever you have the free time. Okay. I'm sure you'll love the content, and if you do, please let me know, or let the next speaker know that, hey, the content is really good or it's really bad. You can tell us honestly. Okay.
Sure.
All right.
So it was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was great talking to you. I love your energy. I love that you put in so much effort. It's showing. Okay. I can see how much effort you put in. Other than that, what problems do you think you're facing?
Yeah, just with the fluency, sometimes even I know all those rules, but it don't come to my mind while speaking.
See, it doesn't come to
my mind while speaking.
See, this is what I'm saying. Maybe slow down a little bit. Because if you slow down, it's easier for your brain to mark, oh, this is past tense, this is present tense. Maybe I should say it in this form. Maybe I should say it like this. Okay, slow down.
Okay.
Give your brain some time to make some corrections, because you know the rules, you know how to say.
Yeah,
it's
I know
just
the rule.
how to practice and how to use it. That is the only problem. Okay.
Okay.
Do you want me to go through some vocabulary words? We have 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Okay. Have you gone through the vocabulary first?
No, I went.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. Do you know what compound interest is?
Yeah, compound.
Yeah, you're a businessman. Sorry, I should not have asked you that question. Okay. Employee contributions.
Yeah, what effort employee put in the business or maybe job.
Yes, but in this case, it's financial.
Effort. Okay.
So it means money contributed by an employee.
Okay.
To an employer-sponsored retirement fund. Now, the best example of that is PPF. I'm sure you've heard of that, right?
Yeah, I know.
PPF, pension fund. These are things where, let's say I'm earning 10,000 a month. Some amount from that goes to a PPF or to a retirement fund. And then let's say it takes 100 rupees from my account. The company will say, okay, every 100 rupees you put, I'll also put 100 rupees. Right? And eventually that fund keeps increasing, and then it becomes your retirement fund. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. What else? Medicare, I know you know that. Right? Pay yourself first. Have you heard of that? pay yourself first.
It's a, I think, phrase, so I don't know.
It's a
So the
it's a sort of plan, okay,
mm,
where consumers should routinely and automatically put money into the savings account before spending anything.